In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a custom URL for your YouTube channel. So the first thing you want to do is go to your channel and go up here in the top right, click on Settings, Advanced Settings, and then down here you'll see it says Custom URL. You're eligible for a custom URL, claim it here, and click on that. Then you'll get this little pop-up. It'll show you what your URL looks like right now, and it'll give you these three options so that you can change it to the URL that you want. So select the option that you want and type in the URL that you would like. Then click I have read and agreed to the custom URL terms of use, and click Change URL. It'll ask you to confirm. Go ahead and click Confirm Choice if that is what you want your URL to be. And just like that, you're all set.